Hey everybody, it's Grant Warrington with the Warrington Group. I wanted to make this quick video on finding contractors and handymen. I know it's a big issue and a lot of people ask me about it with our background in property management and rentals. We've been dealing with contractors for a lot of years now, and sometimes for homeowners they think it's a harder process to find them, and it's really not. So yesterday I saw a truck pull up in front of my neighbor's house, and I ran over literally and talked to him. It said Handyman on the side of the truck. Got his business card, and I don't need him, but if I do in the future, there's another person I can add to the list of people to call. So I wrote a list of some other suggestions here that might help you guys out, and I'm going to go over them. So you can go to Lowe's and you can ask their pro desk. They deal with contractors a lot, and you can ask them if there's somebody they recommend. You could go to nextdoor.com. That's a group of your neighbors online, and there's a lot of recommendations in there, people asking for contractors, but that's also a great suggestion. When you do find a contractor, I recommend finding 3 of them and getting 3 quotes. And the cheapest one's not always the best. Just keep that in mind. Also, ask for references and make sure you call their references. So just do your homework on that. And then when you do decide, you decide on someone, you're going to draw up a small contract. That's what we like to do anyway. You can do whatever you like, but what we do is we'll pay them in 25%, 50%, 75%, and then on the completion of a punch list. So 25% completion, you'll pay 25%, 50%, all the way through to the end of the job. Also, what I like to see is I like to make sure that they can float smaller material costs. So if it's $100, $200, I like to make sure they're big enough, the company is, that they can float that themselves. So if they have to run and pick some material up, they can pay for that. The first day you meet them, if they're telling you they want $1,000 down or something like that, that's a little scary to me. So, but what happens when they do float that and they give me the receipt, we do reimburse them right away. So those are just some suggestions we have. I hope it helped out. Just make sure, if you would, like the video, like the page, Warrington Group. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you got any questions, put it in the comments. Again, Grant Warrington, Warrington Group Real Estate, and I hope it helped. Thanks a lot.